Uniswap might increase 6.5% by tomorrow, according to Traders Union. Let's take a second to assess the current momentum. Today, Uniswap is down by 0.6% and trades close to the $3.988 mark. Here come the forecasts from our analysts. The model from Traders Union points to $4.241 by August 7, a projected 6.5% increase. Uniswap could advance toward $4.09 according to coin price forecast, approximately 2.7% up. CoinLore highlights the possibility of reaching $4, an upward move of about 0.5%. Another prediction from CoinDataFlow suggests Uniswap may move down to $3.91, roughly 1.8% lower. And in closing crypto, predictions believes the price may reach $2.472 by August 7. That's a 37.9% drop. This is the strongest return case. 5 forecasts covered. Let's keep moving. The predictions are in. Here's how each might perform. Based on the collected data from each expert, the expected market range is from a decrease of 37.9% to an increase of 6.5%, depending on the analyst. As the data shows, Crypto Predictions offers the top projected return with 37.9% growth in value by tomorrow. All in all, you could generate between $5 and $379 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to the probability of success, CoinLore's forecast leads the way at 95%. Taking all the forecasts together, I've mapped out a consensus outlook. Consensus estimates place Uniswap at around $3.743. Let's get into the specifics. The consensus assessment points to the price dropping 6%. On those same terms, your capital could potentially move higher by 6%. A 1,000 stake could translate into roughly $60 in potential upside. Based on the consensus, the probability for this outcome stands near 54.7%. Let's briefly shift to the 3-day horizon and see what analysts project. For this horizon, Traders Union sees Uniswap heading higher. The short-term stance from CoinPrice forecast is also optimistic. Additionally, CoinLore forecasts the price pushing higher. According to CoinDataFlow, Uniswap is set to slip. A drop is additionally expected by Crypto Predictions, reinforcing the downside view. The consensus highlights downside potential, keeping Uniswap on a bearish track. Taken as a whole, a clear majority leans toward growth in Uniswap. 5 forecasts came in 2 days ago. Yesterday revealed how close they were. In the end, the price reached $4.045. Yesterday showed that only a small number of forecasts captured the right direction. The prediction with the highest precision was made by CoinLore. Time to sort through the results. 2 forecasts were inside yesterday's candle. Speaking of ROI, some predictions turned profitable, but Gov Capital topped the list. And now, see how all forecasts perform side by side. Meanwhile, Gov Capital had a pre-estimated probability of 6.5%, $0.291 in accuracy, and 4% ROI. Look closely and see if your pick matched the real outcome. Here's how the income expectations for tomorrow look across multiple assets including Uniswap. Forecast comparisons place Uniswap at second place, with Kaspa forecasting 8.6%. At this point, Uniswap is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The complete comparison is already accessible on my website. If this helped you skip the endless charts and focus on what matters, please like the video. Catch you in the next breakdown.